Hello, this is Pine Clock Picking, and today we're going to be attempting to pick the Master Lock 100-year anniversary padlock. The key does work. Lock it back up. And let me see if I can show you the bitting of the key. So, not too crazy, but a little tricky. Alright, let's move this stuff out of the way. And let's see if we can get this thing picked today. Alright, I'm going to use bottom of the keyway because of this plastic shielding. It is really hard to use top of the keyway, kind of. None of mine really like to fit in there. Not snugly, and the loose ones feel like they're gonna snap in half when I'm about to open it. So, we'll try and get a good angle for everyone. Alright, that's pin 1. Pin 2. Maybe pin 3. I don't know if that's right. Alright, we're going to lock it back up. We did get it picked. Sorry about my dog barging in the room. Okay. Okay. And we got that taken apart. So, I'm really hoping that this works and I don't have to re-pick it. And I have not gutted this lock before, so this will be a learning experience for all of us. Okay, that works. And which way do we gotta go? Is it that way? No, it's that way. Okay, so that should work. But let's see if we can get a shim in here. Maybe. Come on. All right. Well, maybe we'll just try and put it on top of this and see if it works. I apologize. This is the first crimped core lock I have ever taken apart. So if we have a little bit of a gutting disaster, I apologize. Ooh. And I just dropped not all of them, but my first 2 key pins. So let's see if we can't get them back in place first. That way we know what order we're going in. Looks like that might have gone there. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so keep in. Oh, that's. Oh, it did fall out. Okay. Okay, so there is our key pins. Nothing special. They're all just standard. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's see if we can get that guy out of there. So, driver pin 1 is a spool. Driver pin 2, a spool. Driver pin 3 is a spool. And driver pin 4 is a spool. Nice. And are all the pins springs the same? Yes, they are. So we can kind of set them there. Okay. And let's see if we can get you guys a nice little close-up. Apologize, might have to move you around a little bit. Okay. Move you back a little. So that is what you are gonna find in the Master Lock 100-year anniversary padlock. 4 spools and all standard driver pins. Are those? I just want to double check something. No, they are just standard spools. Okay. For a second there, they looked like they might have been serrated, but they are not. Anyway, that will be today's video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace.